A website is like your business card on the internet. It shows people who you are, what you sell, and how to reach you. But many people think building a website costs lots of time and money. Today I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to do it all by yourself with the help of friendly AI agent on Replit. Once you are logged in, you will see a screen something like this. And this is a Replit agent where we will describe what we actually want. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I have come up with a prompt that I'm going to paste over here. So here you go. In this section, I will write everything that I need to the best of my understanding, right? So in my case, I have said, hello Replit AI agent, please make a modern, simple website for my bakery called Sweet Treats. The homepage should have a big picture of cupcakes and a button that says order now. It should have about us page, a menu, a contact page, blah blah blah. So anyway, this is what I'm going to submit and let's see what it does. Simply click start building or alternatively you can improve your prompt as well. So let's try to use this feature first. Alright, so it has rewritten the prompt for us in a good way. Now let's click start building. Okay, so now as you can see on the screen, it is thinking and reviewing our instructions, and so from now onwards I don't have to do anything, no code at all, other than just giving some sort of instructions maybe. So let's see how it proceeds. It says, I'll help you create a modern website for Sweet Treats Bakery using Flask and Bootstrap. The site will feature your requested page with a soft pink and cream color scheme, blah blah blah. Would you like any of these additional features? We can also make changes later. Add online ordering system, implement image gallery, add customer testimonial section. Yeah, let's check this third one and let's approve the plan and get started. Alright, whatever is happening right now, I'm not doing it, it's all automated. Right, so it has created app.py file, style.css. It is going to set up everything for us. We don't have to do anything at all other than giving instructions. Isn't this cool? Imagine you hiring a software developer spending multiple days into figuring out who will be best fit for the role, then paying them hundreds of dollars, and then waiting many days to get your website. But right now, in front of your eyes, here is the magic. Rest assured, I'm not doing anything. You can look at my hands. Well, there's lots of coding. Alright, it says the agent is still working. Okay, whatever it is, all we have to do is wait. Oops, what is this weird shake? The agent is thinking and reviewing the instructions. Anyway, here you go. It set up everything for us and also ran the site for us. Okay, this is the preview of the website that this agent built for us within less than a minute actually. So let's explore it. Just click new tab and it will open it for us. It is also hosted. Look at this, man. Isn't this a magic? No words to express. That's great. We have the order now button here. When we click it, oops, it is taking us to the menu. We have about section, everything working perfectly. Contact. Oops, it have the form integrated in it. Now, what would you prefer, this AI agent or a developer like me to get it done for you? Of course, if you are a very beginner, you still need our help somehow, but eventually, welcome to this AI era. So if you are not adopting it, you will be left far behind. Anyway, alright, so let's further test the capabilities of this AI agent, okay? So I'm going to ask it to add a chatbot feature to this website that it just built. So on many websites, you may have seen a feature right at the bottom right corner where you click and it expands a chat box where the customer can input their queries, right? So implementing that manually takes lots of time and of course money and technical understanding. But let's try to do that with this AI agent. Alright, thank you. Now I need you to add chatbot feature that utilizes OpenAI API. It should be at bottom right corner of our web page. Expandable. Get responses from OpenAI API. Let's hit enter. Okay, so now it's working again and see what it come up with. So each time you submit a request and it does something for you, it creates a checkpoint and that costs you around 25 cents. Okay, so on the UI, it is asking me to provide OpenAI API key because they will be utilizing that in order to set up the chatbot system on the website. So if you don't know how to get your OpenAI API key, I have a video on that. You can find it up there. Anyway, I will paste my API key here. Okay, let's paste it here. I'll click continue and that's it. Let's wait for it to get it done. The agent is working, so all we have to do is wait. I might crop the video a little bit just to speed it up, but trust me, it takes no more than few minutes overall. So it's making changes to the app.py file. You don't need to understand what it is, especially if you are not a developer. There you go. I think it's done with it. Let's test it out. New tab. All right, we have this icon over here. Let's click this. Okay, when we clicked it, it is expanded and now I can type in something. Let's say hello there, send, and it is actually responding using OpenAI models. So isn't this amazing? Just it took me roughly 3 minutes to set this up. So imagine AI after a few years, what it will be doing for us. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.